Shakun, start. Hey, sorry. हाँ मिहिर रोहन घोष की जगह पे.
So hello and welcome back once again. Brookfield Premier League 2025. Day 5 and match number now 3. Crest Digital taking up with team Evren. Team Evren won the toss, selected to field first. And batting first, Crest Digital. So welcome again all the viewers and spectators watching us live and present over here. Myself Mithya Solanki, welcoming you all. 3 on the board, 3 for no loss. It's a slight touch at a point and single run taken. Oh, this time good comeback by Vishal. Vishal and Jagdeep, the opening pair from Crest Digital. And good bowling by Vishal Ram. Last ball of the first over. Waited for the ball. Cut away nicely. Looking back for second. And they will get it. Good running. Converting inquiries into sales. One was gone, 6 for no loss. Crest. So that's a good start. Both the batters rotating the strike with 3 runs on the board. That's what they call clean rotation by both the batters. Oh, lucky there. It's not, the ball is not hitting the stump. Good try. Well try by the bowler. And again, that rotation of singles are on. So it's like low risk, steady returns, classic long term strategy by both the batters. 7 for no loss. Looking for run. This could be. Oh! They're going for one more run. Direct throw at the striker's end. And they're looking for one more run. What is happening? They're playing a lawn tennis. Three runs converted. Excellent running, excellent awareness. Smart move, low investment, maximum returns. Running between the wickets. जैसा मौका मिला वैसे रन्स लिए हैं. Yashovardhan bowling attack. So good start from Crest also. Just a single, the bit of fumble there. Looking for one more run sent back. Sensible batting by Jagdeep and Vishal. That's played fine at long off for a single. Soft hands, quick call. That's a smart move, low investment and guaranteed return. This time a fuller one looking to play across the line. Completely missed it. And umpire unmoved. Went for dot ball. Last ball was the second, 12 for no loss. Waited for the ball, high in the air. Good stop at the long on. Coming back for two, this could be the chance, and yes, they got wicket finally. Just short of the crease. And that's a wicket fall, number one. Good throw, and that's out. So 2 overs gone. It's 13 for 1. Crest Digital. दो ओवर के बाद 13 पर 1 क्रेस्ट डिजिटल. Vishal and Sunita, and now in the bowling we have Khushbu. Skipper Khushbu into the attack. Straight to the fielder. Good fielding placement. Excellent stop. That will go. Extras run counted. 14 for 1. She is losing her momentum. Back-to-back wides. Let's see. Need to come back with strong strategy. Well left by the batter. Down the leg side once again. Back-to-back hat-trick wides. She played nicely. That towards mid-wicket region and single run. Good strike by Sunita. Now she's off the mark with a single. 17 for 1 after 2.2. Crest. Dancing down the track, tossed up delivery high in the air, and he's taken that. Good catch. Is that Akash? Very well judged. Yeah, you can see the action replay. Yes. Good judgment, and finally, that's taken, gone. Wicket fall. A good catch taken there. at long on. So Vishal departs very well played, 8 of 8 balls, 2.3, 17 for 2, and Sandeep Verma, the new batter. Down the leg side for wide, trying to bowl the fuller one. Just bit of losing her momentum in this over by Khushbu. Again, umpire signaling that wide. That's gone high in the air. No man's safe landing. And a single. Sunita back on strike. Just stand still and get extra runs. Just stay and get returns. That's a free return of investment for Crest. Nine of the overs so far. This is much better. Good comeback by Khushbu. Coming up the last ball of the third over. 22 for 2 on the board. Let's see what Crest Digital can do something special in coming overs. Or Team Evren has some big strategy. She played really well at square leg. Single to end of the over. 10 runs off the door, 1 wicket for Khushbu. 3 gone, it's 23 for 2, Crest Digital. Excellent environment here. Everyone is enjoying the game of cricket. So there is no fun Friday activity in office. Directly you have a fun Friday entertainment here in the turf. Game of cricket. 3 was gone, 23 for 2. Three gone, 23 for 2. Looking to swing, completely missed it. Maybe a sigh of relief for today, HR. There's no Fun Friday activity. Directly come on the field to play. And what happened there? 1 run, 1 more for Sunita. She's playing well. Converting single. That's a good running. Capitalizing on safe opportunities on the investment. So we are the new batter joining Vivek Upadhyay with Sandeep Verma. That's a good strike, cracking strike. Will they come back for 2? Only a single good stop. Good fielding there at wideish long off. Oh, that's played nicely high in the air. So total how many runs? 2 runs. It's 30 for 2 on the board. Oh, that's cut away nicely. Tossed up delivery. So Vishal completing his spell, last ball of his over. Swing and a miss. Looking for the run out chance. And single taken. Oh, indeed, that got outside edge. 4 was gone. It's 32 for 2. Crest Digital. So good strategy of 8 runs per over they're playing. If they continue this momentum, they will get 50 plus for sure. That's a projected score showing as 50 plus for Crest Digital. Will be the challenging total. Wait and watch. Don't go anywhere. Change in the bowling attack. New bowler Mihir comes to the party. That's gone high in the air. Short pitch ball being pulled away. Oh, try to take that. Khushbu, the skipper. And they're coming back for one more run. It's a very good attempt to take that. But they will get 2 runs. 2 रन यहाँ पर लिए है 34 पे 2. Just over the wicket keeper Akash. Single run. Or the no runs. Indeed, no runs. Straight up in the air. She tried to take that bit of misjudgment. But good attempt to take that. Single run taken. 35 for 2. Chance here, chance here. Third umpire referred by the square leg umpire. It's a gentle slight touch, bit of fumble and throw went, and let's see what's the umpire. As a good work by the broadcasting team. Yes, the bat is showing as in the air. We can see on the big screen. We'll wait for the confirmation. OUT will be out, yes. Good throw there. The bat was in the air and stumps shattered. So Akash, the wicketkeeper, has shattered the stumps. 4.4, it's 35 for 3. There's a big shout at the umpire. But you can appeal to the umpire standing straight. Last ball of the 4th over. Only 3 runs by Mihir. Good bowling. Trying to bowl the fuller. Going down the leg side for wide. Umpire Mr. Rohit. (36 for 3). So great cricket by all the cricketers, Brookfield players. Have a fantastic job. Day 4 and day 5 is on. And that's end of the over. 5 gone. 37 for 3. Crest Digital.
Good fielding, guys. Out. Good game, guys. Keep it coming. बहुत खूबसूरत प्रदर्शन एवरॉन के द्वारा.
Oh, that's
Wonderful
very good
bowling.
bowling. A bit of in the air. Safe. Good attempt to take that. Single run. 42 for 4 after 5.5 last ball of the 6th over.
That's a good score. कमेंटेटर श्रीदा के साथ. Ladies and gentlemen, can we cheer for both the teams, please?
5 balls left. 6.1, 42 for 6. That's gone high in the air.
आप कुछ कर रहे हो क्या?
Okay, it's a special moment right now, and it's an immense pleasure to present this moment as a token of appreciation. And I request first to call Mr. Shiva sir to present this, and I request Mr. Dominic sir, managing the technology services. Ladies and gentlemen, please speak a round of applause for Mr. Dominic, a token of appreciation. Can we have a big round of applause? Thank you very much, sir, for your presence. And this is the only moment to take a photograph, golden moments. Thank you very much. Coming back in the match. Okay, that's end of the first inning. 7 has gone, 47 for 6. And the target is a big, tough task for the team. Everyone to chase 48.
Mitesh, what are your predictions? Who do you think will take this match?
Let's see, the best team will win. There's no prediction from my side because we've seen every game is going very fine. Every cricketer is just everywhere they have the efforts are on. So let's see.
Sometimes it's not about the game, it's how the pitch is, how well the players are rested, and everything. So it's just not the match, and it's just not how they play. It's everything combined. So
Hello and welcome back once again. What an excitement game of cricket is going on. Every player, every spectators, all eyes, and it's a fun Friday event for all the cricketers here. Coming back to the next match, 4 match with the Leela Legends versus Digital Connection. So Leela Legends captains. So how is the feeling right now? Your smile on the face says something special strategy is now for the next match.
No strategy as such. We want to just play our normal cricket, and that's what we want to do today. Nothing strategy as such that we have thought about it.
Okay, Manta to come this side. And once again with me, Mr. Shen joining. So who will call?
I'll call.
Okay, Leela Legends.
You'll have to.
Okay, he's on hand.
Tails. Tails.
It's heads. You won the toss. What you decided and why?
We'll bowl first. We saw the last match where we lost the toss and we had to bat. So probably bowling first would help us win, just like yesterday. So we've got a strong bowling attack and we want to restrict them to at least 30 max. That's it.
Okay, I wish you all the best. Captain from Leela Legends, you're batting first. So what will the strategy, what will the big target to set up?
See, target as such, that's something which I don't want to give a number for now. As I said, we want to just play our best game for today. But this is the last game for the league, and we want to just put a big score. So it's very difficult for them to chase as well.
Few words to express about BBN Network, a fantastic initiative done for this tournament, season 5 year on.
No, this is an amazing platform for each one of us across the BBN network. Gives us chance to meet people, interact, know them as well, and that's where we know we've been. This is our 5th year that we have participated, and we've been knowing people now across the group. So that's a very good initiative that that has given us chance to meet people and know and understand as well.
Yeah, just like a festival of carnival is going around. Okay, thank you very much. So coming up, the match number 4, the news from the center that Digital Connection won the toss, decided to bowl first. They invited Leela Legends to bat first. Coming up live after some time. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for the match.
Ladies and gentlemen, whoever is watching this match, please cheer from whichever city and send in your love or support in the comment section down below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. Sorry.
Okay, back in the match.
Ladies
Thank you very much, Sridhar.
Ladies
you
and
on.
gentlemen, thank you for tuning in, and everybody who's sitting outside, please cheer for us and send your support in the comment section down below and subscribe to their channel, because everybody behind the scene is working very, very hard, including me. I have taken on the role of the commentator for the day along with Mitesh. So a round of applause for everyone. Thank you.
So coming back in the match.
Wonderful keeping there.
Non-striker end, they will have a check. So welcome back to the Brookfield Premier League 2025. 2025 season 5, day 5 is on.
It is getting intense day by day.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a big target to chase. It's 45 to get from 36 balls. One big over will make an impact. Kritika Sharma comes into the attack.
Don't you think women players are great to watch?
It's now cricket is everyone's game. It's not the
Just a
women's game.
gentleman's game.
It's not a gentleman's game now. After the India winning that South Africa the World Cup final, it's everyone's game right now.
And it's good to see everybody participate, and I am glad that they have this rule where women players are mandated to participate in the match.
Yeah, absolutely correct. And that's participation is a big thing.
Yeah.
You play cricket is on the field. You're scoring 1 run, 2 runs, single run. Every run count because the participation is most important factor in cricket.
It's just the spirit of the game that counts.
That's a new batter, Akash, and what a great work by the. Is that out? They having question or is that out? And the batsman is walking. And this one more wicket fall. Losing the momentum. Team Everton back-to-back wickets, 1.2, it's 4 for 3, 44 to get from 34 balls. This is tough for Team Everton to chase. Kritika Sharma, she strikes, and you're talking about, yes, she got 2 wickets.
You know when you never know when the game changes. It's very tough till the last moment to tell who's going to win and who's not.
Yeah, it's a game of the uncertainty,
And patience.
patience, timing, dedication, passion, and it's 4 for 4. And back-to-back team has got 3 wickets. She was on a hat-trick, but only a single. 43 runs in 32 balls, and
What a great shot, man.
this is one more. What is this happening? They're just in, just out. 5 for 5. 1.5, it's 5 for 5. Team Everton losing the momentum. She got 3 wickets. Can we have a big round of applause for Kritika Sharma? Only 2 runs and 3 wickets. Absolutely fantastic performance. It's like something magical in the commentary box as Shrida with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, we need to cheer for the girl player, women player. Everybody put your hands together for Kritika.
Five for 5, last ball of Hova. Looking for big one. One more wicket. One more wicket. 4
God.
wickets for Kritika. Would you believe it? Excellent performance.
Reiterating, it's not just gentlemen's match anymore. It's not just a gentleman's game. Cricket is inclusive.
Yeah, that's one more wicket and 2 overs gone. It's 5 for 6. This is like losing the momentum, Team Everton. 43, the pressure is on. 43 runs in 30 balls. Very difficult to get a comeback. Yashovardhan joining with Gemini. And this impact of Kritika's over that made the pressure on Team Everton. Looking to play a carpet cover drive, but straight to the wicket keeper. Oh, that's much better once again. The skipper, Ashwani Singh. He is an experienced contender. He bowled really well in the first match. They played the very first match yesterday. And now it's like they will go for single runs.
They're keeping it safe for now.
6 for 6.
Not a bad score to have.
So it's like 1 run. That's a clean rotation, low risk, steady returns, classic long-term strategy. 7-6. What a score this is. The score is 7-6. Another 1 run added.
That's a clean rotation, everyone.
Yes, they're rotating the strike, and that's what low effort and maximum returns slowly and steadily. So 3 was gone, 7-6. Let's see what the comeback. क्या गेम में परिवर्तन करेंगे?
इसे देखने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ हमारे YouTube चैनल पर.
That's up and over.
Wonderful. Good
Only a
use of
single.
gap. That's like spotting a market opening in cashing it early. Whatever I said.
Yeah, absolutely. That's gone high in the air. Chance. Oh, bit of misjudgment there. Could be the chance for the catch. But यहाँ पे देखिए, कैच का सपना टूटा लेकिन रनआउट का सपना टूटा नहीं है. Villa have wicket. This is what the lessons been learned directly, that if you lose, you have the backup plan, and then the throw was done, and the wicket they got.
I would say good call, good running there, capitalizing on safe opportunities.
Yeah, absolutely. Well said. Will they go for 2? So 2 runs taken. So Sridhar, it's like converting inquiry into sales once again. 1-2.
That's right. That's a good sight to watch. They're chasing.
Chasing for the target of 48. Chasing the target of 48. But taken.
Chasing the target of 48, ladies and gentlemen.
Losing the momentum. Team Evren. One more wicket. One more wicket.
One more wicket there.
Good catch taken by Kamal there at mid wicket. It's 11 for 8 down. Would you believe it? What a bowling performance this is from Crest Digital.
It's a tight match to watch.
11 for 8. 2 wickets to go. What a performance this is. Absolutely fantastic.
Safe strategy, safe play. That's what they're going for.
Pankaj and Mihir. Let's see how many. What will be the difference of winning, or we will watch something magical batting from Pankaj and Mihir. That's been given as wide outside the off-stump line. 12 for 8. Is that end of the over? 4 is gone, 12 for 8. Team Evren.
They're trying to keep it safe and score 1 run on each ball.
Yes, that's the only strategy now. वो कहते हैं हिंदी में तिनका जोड़े जा, जो भी मिला उसे ओढ़े जा, जिंदगी चली जाए किसी के वास्ते, हम तो चले बस क्रिकेट के रास्ते. And that's, yes,
Their
they're taking
motto.
single. It's also important if you're losing, that difference of losing also. That is important factor. Not a big margin. And let's see now. 2 wickets to go.
Good try.
Straight to the fielder, short cover. That's gone high in the air. It was safe. And extra cover for a single. 5 was gone, 15 for 8. Team Evren.
He looked tempted, but he held back. That's what we call risk management there.
Yeah, absolutely. Well said. And that's a happy faces all around of Crest Digital. Oh, that was bit of in the air, but oh, is that carried out? Oh, that's out indeed. That's gone. One more wicket fall. 9th wicket fall.
They'll have to catch up to score.
17 for 9 down. Good low catch taken there.
Good catch by Anurit Sharma there.
Left hand batter looking to swing. Is that the end of the over? Six overs gone, 17 for 9. So just 4 balls left now. So just 3 balls left. So great performance by Crest Digital in the fielding side. Last 2 balls coming up. And is that the end of the match? Yes. clinched the victory very comfortably. And that's the end of the match. Crest won with a big margin of 28 runs.